were off to Nueva Ecija, a peaceful province in central Luzon known as the rice granary of the Philippines because of its endless green rice fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a place full of small farming towns and a history that runs deep. Nueva Ecija has 27 towns and 5 cities. We were going back to the town where I was born and raised. My first visit in 25 years since 2000. I heard a lot has changed since then. The street I grew up on used to be quiet, peaceful, and almost untouched. I remember the wide open rice fields stretching as far as I could see. The air was fresh, the land was green, and the houses were far apart. There were no big stores, no traffic, and no noise. Just a few sari-sari stores, those small, family-owned shops where you could buy snacks, soap, and other daily items. At night, the only sounds were frogs croaking, crickets chirping, and the soft hum of the countryside. In the morning, people woke up to the sound of roosters or the familiar honk of a man on a bike selling warm, freshly baked bread. But now, the street is packed with houses and buildings. The open fields I used to know, almost all gone. They've been replaced by concrete walls and busy roads. Cars and motorcycles pass by all day, and even at night, it's still noisy. Even the school in front of our house has changed. It's much bigger now, with more buildings built closer to the road. I was shocked. So much has changed, it's almost unrecognizable.
Kasi sa Muñoz maraming...
Hello?
Hello?
Nandito na kami sa Santo Domingo from Gimba. Wala kaming nadaanang ma-orderan. Wala bang wala bang ma-orderan na pagkain diyan? Wala kaming nadaanan dahil yung mga LEX ang mga dinaanan namin diretso. Pero nandito na kami sa Santo Domingo, papapasok lang ng Santo Domingo from Gimba. So siguro mga 5 minutes or so. Para balok ba ito?
No. Hindi na tayo dadaan ng balok.
Wala, hindi na kami dumaan ng balok diretso ng Santo Domingo according sa
Quezon, then Santo Domingo.
So,
Yeah.
Gimba,
Yeah,
yung
yeah.
Gimba, Kalyaga, Gimba,
Hindi
yeah,
tayo
Kalyaga.
dumaan.
Yeah.
We just passed the Talavera River.
No, wala, hindi.
Pagdating
Hindi.
Kailan ba yung itlog na pula? Tatlo?
Oh, may at saka kamatis, pwede na siguro yung
Hindi,
halo-halo.
pag may nadaanan, may sinain naman.
Magsaing daw kayo kung pero may madadaanan.
Wala na sila wala sila ando.
Oh, wala sila ando. Oo.
Ano na lang, titingin kami dito kung saan.
Kung may madadaanan.
Tingnan mo na lang, Jace, kung meron tayong madaanan.
Sige.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Yeah.
harvesting.
Bakit basa pa yung pag-harvest nila?
Ay, matutuyuan nila yan. Yung ano na yan eh, direct ano na yan eh, direct selling na from farm to ano na. Yung bang pinapakyaw ng mga kuwan. Ang usually na namamakyaw niyan yung may mga kono. O kaya yung may mga
Ano naman yung kono?
yung nagmimil.
Ito yung connection ng ano.
Dalawang taon.
Science Park.
Parang malapit na yata tayo balong. Ano? Ilang kilometers na yun.
Solicab, then San Pascual.
Oo yata. Kasi ang
Holy cow!
Santo Domingo na.
So we're at Sagaba, Balong, right? Or Balong, Sagaba.
Tumingin ka sa paligid at ikaw na rin ang magsasabi. Pagdating dati noon sa inyo, yung bahay nyo ang ano doon. Ngayon, tinan mo na yung paligid nyo. Oh.
Holy cow!
Tapos makikita mo doon. Kaya pag nakita mo, maalala mo ano.
Oh, there's the microwave tower.
Oh, look at that one, no? Tinan mo yung ano na yan, no? Ano yan?
It's two of them.
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Oh, yan ba yung munisipyo?
Opo.
Municipal Hall.
Ayan, Santo Domingo.
Ito,
hey,
municipal.
There's a
Oh, we're
municipal
almost
hall.
here.
Yeah. Oh,
Holy
I love Santo
cow!
Domingo. Litrato
There's
kayo
a
dyan.
school. That's the empty
The
lot.
school, yeah.
There's a
Oh,
lot,
there's a
fish
lot,
lot.
yeah.
Ito yung sa inyo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ito yung lot, yung ano nyo, rice field nyo.
Yeah,
Where's
this
the fish pond?
It's gone. Very close.
Tinan mo, business
Oh, this one.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one.
Talagang business, ano na itong...
There's the gas station.
Yeah, the gas station. Oh, na ano. Bubuksan ng pintuan para makapasok. Ano ba yun? Yeah, bubuksan ng pintuan.
Yung dalawa.
This is the house I grew up in. Back then, it looked so much bigger and more beautiful. The yard was full of fruit trees and flowering plants, and the backyard was filled with vegetables. Since my whole family moved to Canada almost 40 years ago, there's been no one to take care of it, no more loving hands to keep it clean and tidy. It's been neglected and left abandoned. This house once stood proud. Now it looks tired and worn. It was a home we were once so proud of, but now it just looks sad. Oh, hello. Hello, kitty cat. Hello, kitty cat. Hello. Oh, yung pinapasok na niya.
Where's he trying to park?
Yeah. Here's a banana tree. Banana trees. Oh, there's some fruits, banana fruits. That's the saba. This is where I grew up, and it's totally different from when I left the Philippines. This isn't how it looks like before. It was a lot quieter, less busy, and more spaces. Now it looks so crowded.
You have to put something in it.
What are you eating, Cham?
Rice.
Rice and langganisa.
Spicy one. And lechon and manok.
What's that? Lechong manok? How about the fish? Aren't you going to taste the fish?
Nope.
Saucy said it's fresh.
Yeah. But there's bones.
Yeah.
I don't like just the bones.
How many dogs are here? 1, 2, 6 dogs? And how many cats?
And
2
how many
cats? How many ducks?
17.
17 ducks. And what is this? These are dresses. Oh, for what?
And I brought them to when we found it.
Barbie dresses. I thought these were socks.
It smells like alcampor. So we wash it.
Oh, does it still smell? Oh, it smells good now.
Yeah.
It doesn't. Meow. There's some ducks. Yeah, I know you're hungry.
Ning me, batsing.
Anong pangalan? Anong
Batsing.
batsing? Batang batsing? At saka yung isa. Ningning. Eh, yung mga dogs.
Uno, dos, tres, pogi.
Uno, dos, tres, pogi? It's 6. Uno, dos, tres, pogi. There's only 4.
And then the father is puti
Uh-huh.
and the adopted one is balbon.
Okay, let's see which one is Balbon. There are only 4 here. Hello po. Oops. Kumusta po? Kapatid ko po yung dalawang nandoon, yung nag-stay dito. Ako po ang bunso nila.
Wala kamukha kayo.
Oh.
Tatlo kayo andyan, oh.
Tatlo ho kaming nandito ngayon na ano. Pero ano ho, alis din ho kami mamaya. Pupunta kami ng Cabanatuan. Doon kami matutulog sa Cabanatuan. Tapos babalik kami bukas ng umaga. Pipikapin namin yung kapatid ko. Hindi ko alam kung silang dalawa o isa lang. Pupunta kami ng Muñoz para may get together naman po kami magpipinsan sa Muñoz na ano. Balita ko po, alis na kayo. Okay lang po.
Sa patayan ng pasukan mo.
Kailan po yun?
April.
April 14? Oh.
Sila eh.
Oh, ayos. Isang po ang lipat ninyo.
Sa amin, no.
Saan po yun?
Kabanatuan din, no.
O, Cabanatuan.
MS.
Nag-break in yung dalawa sa bahay mo. Yum. Okay. Chico. You want to taste a Chico?
Only if you taste it, I'll taste a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
It's there.
Where's my water? Where's your water?
It's the one with the label that's twisted. Like that, eh? Is that upright? That's upside down.
No, upside down. See this one that's hang on the.
Oh, okay, like that. Okay, retake.
Take.
Take 2.
Look at those dogs. Okay. Driver at saka pasahero. There you go.
Now you come over here with your camera, and I'll open the door for you.
Okay.
Okay, direct pa rin ka pala dito.
Oo nga. Okay. Taran! Oh, what's this? No gasoline? Bakit pula? Pula talaga? Oh my goodness.
Get in. It's gonna be
Okay.
20 pesos, please.
Okay, now you're gonna have to let me go. You have to open the door.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
ba kayo sa Canada?
Yeah, 83 pa ako sa Canada.
Grabe.
Yeah,
Kami pa nila, ano nun, magkakasama sila to John na sila Ira pa.
Oh, baka bago sila umalis noon. Ano.
Ito yung kasi dahil sa to.
Oh, kaya hindi ko na natatanda. Alam ko itong chikong ito, bata pa ako, chiko na yan. Na ano, maliit pa lang yan dati, hindi ganito kalaki.
Ano na yan?
Mulberry. Ano yan?
Pag nahinog yan, masarap.
Masarap.
Parang buhat eh. Kaya naman.
At saka pa maraming vitamins and minerals, yung ano na yan.
A local, it's like the...
Blackberries, oo. Mas mahaba yan.
Mahaba pong ganon.
Oo, mahaba.
Sa Pangyawan, may gandang
Na ano,
itim.
Yeah, itim. Oo. Yeah. Yeah, may itatanim sila ando na ano dito.
Huwag niyang malapit sa ano ha.
Sa
I do have video right now.
Oo, okay.
Pakalo mo.
Oo. Okay, salamat na. Ano wala kasi ibigay kay Bernadette. Big thanks to everyone who dropped by to say hi while I was in the province. You know who you are. Special shout out to Jameline and Melinda for the mangoes and the mulberry tree, and to Ernita for the ilang-ilang seeds. Thank you so much for being so thoughtful. We were on our way to Cabanatuan City for the night. Thanks for joining me on this trip down memory lane in Nueva Ecija. It was amazing to see how much has changed and how some things have stayed the same. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this. See you next time!